Hi, all adults. I am Ava. And back in the day when you were children, you probably thought a lot about your lives and what it would be like when you became adults. Just like my friends and I do today. Should I work in architecture, like my mother, or become a carpenter, or even maybe a YouTuber? I do not think you talked about the climate as much as we do today. Sure, we do not understand everything, but it seems scary.
We adults need to make the right decisions for the future. One right decision is to surf the renovation wave sweeping across Europe. By renovating and use of highly efficient insulating in our buildings, we not only enhance the quality of life for people living in and using the buildings, we also create up to 160,000 additional green jobs in the construction sector. And most importantly, we reduce Europe's greenhouse gas emissions for our children's future.
Yes, you adults must make good decisions, like building and repairing houses smarter and making them warmer without compromising the environment. Think of the climate and of us, your children and grandchildren. Do it today, because tomorrow might be too late for our future.